Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Roku TV showing inverted colors. So if you're interested, let's get started. So there are going to be a few things or a few steps here that you can try doing to solve this issue. So first thing that you want to do is you want to turn off high contrast mode here if you have it enabled. So in this case, you want to press the home button on your remote and you want to go to settings and then accessibility, then high contrast, and make sure it's turned off. Next thing that you want to do is you may want to reset your picture settings. So you want to go to your settings and you want to go to TV picture settings, then choose reset picture settings to bring everything back to its default settings. Next is you want to adjust your picture settings manually here. Now if it still looks off here, try adjusting the brightness, contrast, color, and the tint under the picture settings as well. Now, also you may want to check your HDMI cables. Now, make sure your HDMI cable is plugged in properly so that you don't, or in this case, make sure you're not seeing any metal parts exposed. And also try a different cable or a different HDMI port on the TV just to be sure here. And next is you may want to try power cycling your TV. Now you want to unplug your TV from the wall and wait for about like 60 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. Then from then on, it's an easy fix here. So yeah. Another thing that you could try doing here is you may want to update your software. So again, you want to go to your settings, then you want to go to system, then system updates. And you want to click on the option here that says check now and install any updates. And finally, the next thing that you want to do is you want to factory reset your TV or your smart TV here. So if nothing works, go to settings, system, advanced system settings, and just choose factory reset here and follow the on-screen step. And basically this erases everything and resets the TV. So just make sure none of the previous steps actually work for you, because again, it resets your TV and basically deletes everything. So you need to reset it up again once it's done. But if none of this actually work, the last and final thing that you could try doing here is to contact Roku support. Now, usually they could give you further instructions what you could do here, and even match you with a technician just in case they can't solve this themselves. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video is able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.